Good morning, all of you. So today, in my last video, I have explained you Gandhiji's method and direction. In that, I have explained you Satyagraha, doctrine of non-violence, Swadeshi, and mass movement. Today, we are going to start non-cooperation movement. So all of you, open your book, page number 71. Okay, non-cooperation movement is one of the very big and the grand movement started by Gandhiji. Gandhiji started a non-cooperation movement. Why Gandhiji started a non-cooperation movement? For this, you people have to understand the foundation, which with the help of which Gandhiji become non-cooperator from a cooperator. Earlier, Gandhiji was cooperating with the British government, but later he become a non-cooperator. Why he become a non-cooperator? Reason is the platform of the non-cooperation movement actually start from the First World War. That during the First World War, you know that Britain was one of the active participator. Britain was one of the active participator of the First World War. Gandhiji urged all the national political and freedom leaders in India, okay, that this Gandhiji said to all the national and leaders of India that we need to cooperate with the British government. Let us help the British government in the First World War. So they have cooperated to the British government in the First World War as Britain was the active participator. But Gandhiji was having this hope that if India and Indian leaders will cooperate with the British government in the First World War, then Britishers will definitely fulfill the demand of the Indian political leaders. But when the First World War get over, the Britishers have just twisted and they have refused to fulfill any of the demand of the Indian freedom strugglers. Rather, General Dyer have killed so many people in Jallianwala Bagh. Then a very, very restrictive act is passed, that is Rowlatt Act. According to the Rowlatt Act, Indians were not allowed to be gathered at one place. Indians were not allowed to 2-3 Indians cannot collect in the road at one place. They cannot have a public meeting. And if anyone is found guilty, police can take that Indian without presenting that Indian in the court. And they will keep that person somewhere in the dark area without informing to anyone. That person may be killed. So such kind of the Rowlatt Act is passed. Okay, and then Khilafat movement in India. Okay, 3 main causes with the help of which Gandhiji has started a movement called non-cooperation movement. What is the first cause? Khilafat movement. I'll explain you the Khilafat movement. What is the second cause? The Rowlatt Act. That also I'll explain you. What is the third? The Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. These 3 things happened just after the completion of First World War. And Indian political leaders have cooperated with the British government in the First World War in expectation, in anticipation that Britishers are going to fulfill their demand after the First World War. But what happened was just opposite. So let me start with the non-cooperation movement. Now see all of you in the book, non-cooperation movement. Don't underline, just see. During the First World War, the Congress cooperated with we'll start with the non-cooperation movement, children, page number 71. During the First World War, the Congress cooperated with the British. Even Gandhiji urged the Gujarati peasant to join the army if they want to win Swaraj. So Gandhiji was having this anticipation that Britishers will grant Swaraj to the Indians if Indian political leaders will cooperate with the British government in the First World War. So Gandhiji has urged to the Gujarati peasant, the Gujarati farmers. He said and he requested them that join army so that Britishers will have more army and it will help the Britishers to, actively win the First World War. This was and Gandhiji was having this hope that when Britishers will win the First World War, they will grant Indian Swaraj. But what happened was just opposite after that. The main event of 1919, like the Khilafat wrong, those who participated in the Khilafat movement were being brutally exploited, killed and suppressed. Then passing of Rowlatt Act. Then the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy greatly disillusioned Gandhiji. Greatly disillusioned Gandhiji means Gandhiji become totally disillusioned. He become totally frustrated and become totally unhappy with the British government because of the three things which they have done. What is the first thing? What is the first thing? The Khilafat wrong. What is the second thing? Passing of Rowlatt Act. What is the third thing? Killing of thousands of people in Jallianwala Bagh. All these factors made Gandhiji disillusioned and he turned from cooperator to non-cooperator and decided to start the non-cooperation movement. So when and how Gandhiji decided to start non-cooperation movement? After the First World War, the events like the Khilafat wrong, the passing of Rowlatt Act, and the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy disillusioned Gandhiji, and Gandhiji from cooperator become non-cooperator and decided to start non-cooperation movement. So why Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement? Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement because of the Khilafat wrong, because of the passing of Rowlatt Act, and because of the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Then further, what is the meaning of non-cooperation? Non-cooperation is a way of protesting in which one does not cooperate with the evildoer. What is non-cooperation? It is a way of protesting. What is non-cooperation meaning? Question comes in 2 marks, children. What do you mean by non-cooperation? Non-cooperation is a way of protesting in which one cannot cooperate with the evildoer. The person who is an evildoer, one cannot cooperate with, that is called non-cooperation. Then, under non-cooperation, what Gandhiji asked? Gandhiji asked the people not to assist the foreign government to rule over them. Gandhiji has asked to the people, don't help the British government to rule over them, because he become non-cooperator from cooperator. So 3 things you people have to remember, children. The first thing, the events of Khilafat wrong, passing of Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh tragedy disillusioned Gandhiji, and he turned from cooperator to non-cooperator and decided to start the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation is a way of protesting in which one is not cooperating with the evildoer. Under non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji urged to the people not to assist the foreign government to rule over them. Is it clear? So this is the platform of the non-cooperation movement. I'm turning the camera and you people have to underline, children. Now see all of you in the camera, in this. You see, first point. What first point under non-cooperation movement? The event of 1919, like the Khilafat wrong, passing of the Rowlatt Act, okay, and the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. This is number 1 point. See, I have written here number 1. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy greatly disillusioned Gandhiji. Then he turned from a cooperator to a non-cooperator and decided to start non-cooperation movement. Till here is your first point. This is your first point. Your first point starts from here, from the event, okay. Your first point starts from the event, okay, and then Start from event and then till here, till a non-cooperation movement. Then second point, start just where your first point over this. This is your second point. I have written here second point. And second point is your meaning. Meaning of non-cooperation. So underline. Non-cooperation is a way of protesting in which one does not cooperate with the evil doer. Till here is your second point. Is it clear? What is your third point? Gandhiji, here is your third point. Start from here. Gandhiji asked the people not to assist the foreign government to rule over them. This is the third point. Is it clear? So these are the 3 points which shows the meaning of non-cooperation movement. Okay. Now children, see, I am going to start next. Okay, next the causes of non-cooperation movement. I'm going to start the causes of non-cooperation movement. 3 causes of non-cooperation movement: the Khilafat movement, the Rowlatt Act, and the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. So let me start the Khilafat movement. Ab Khilafat movement ko samjho. First understand. Let me tell you like a story. What happened? That in the First World War, मैंने तुमको बताया कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेटर था. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में तुर्की वॉज डिफीटेड. एक कंट्री है तुर्की, वो डिफीट हो गया. किसके थ्रू? ब्रिटेन के थ्रू. ब्रिटेन ने तुर्की को डिफीट किया. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? द ऑटोमन एम्पायर वॉज डिवाइडेड. ऑटोमन एम्पायर मीन्स द तुर्की वॉज हैविंग ऑटोमन वॉज रूलिंग ओवर तुर्की. Who was ruling over Turkey? Ottoman Empire. Ottoman. Fine. So what happened in the First World War? Turkey was defeated by British, and the Ottoman Empire was divided. Then the Sultan of Turkey, the name of the Sultan of Turkey was Khalif, and Khalif was the ruler of Ottoman Empire. ओके, खलीफ को ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने क्राउन से हटा दिया, पहली चीज. और उसको खलीफ वॉज डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ ऑल हिज अथॉरिटी, सारा पावर से. देन आफ्टर दैट वो खलीफ जो मुस्लिम लोगों का रिलीजियस हेड था, खलीफ वॉज द रिलीजियस हेड ऑफ द मुस्लिम्स ऑफ ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. And ill treatment was given to Khalif. Khalif was removed from his authority to rule over Turkey after Turkey was defeated by British government. Okay, so Khalif position become weakened. इसको मुस्लिम्स ने अपने ऊपर अटैक के तौर पे लिया, क्योंकि मुस्लिम को लगा कि वो हमारा रिलीजियस गुरु है. उसके साथ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने इतना गंदा व्यवहार किया. सच अ बैड बिहेवियर ब्रिटिशर्स हैव डन विथ आवर रिलीजियस लीडर. इन ऑल ओवर इन वर्ल्ड, in Muslim countries, protest started against British government. Same way in India also, the Indian Muslims have started a protest, a movement against the ill treatment given to their religious leader Khalif by the British government. And they started a movement called Khilafat movement. Khilafat किसके लिए? किसकी खिलाफत? खिलाफत ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट की. क्यों ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट की खिलाफत? क्योंकि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने इल ट्रीटमेंट दिया उनके रिलीजियस गुरु खलीफ को और उसको उसकी ऑटोमन एम्पायर से रिमूव कर दिया. तो मुस्लिम्स को लगा अगर खलीफ की पावर कम होगी तो सारे मुस्लिम्स की पावर कम हो जाएगी. तो उन्होंने एक मूवमेंट इंडिया में स्टार्ट की under the leadership of Ali brothers, who started Khilafat movement in India against British government children. Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali and Liaquat Ali. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali are the two. They were famous as Ali brothers. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. They started a movement against the bad treatment given to their religious leader Khalif by the British government, and there was a start of Khilafat movement. तो पहली चीज तो ये समझ गए तुम लोग कि खिलाफत मूवमेंट क्यों शुरू हुआ, क्योंकि जब ब्रिटेन तुर्की फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में तुर्की डिफीट हुआ तो ऑटोमन एम्पायर डिवाइड हो गया. उसमें क्या हुआ, खलीफ को उसकी अथॉरिटी से डिप्राइव्ड कर दिया गया, निकाल दिया गया. और खलीफ was looked upon by large section of Muslim as their religious leader. और सारे मुस्लिम्स को ये लगा कि अगर खलीफ की पोजीशन वीकेंड होगी तो मुस्लिम्स की पोजीशन वो क्या होगी, वीकेंड होगी. तो इससे क्या हुआ, द मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया हैज स्टार्टेड अ पावरफुल एजिटेशन नोन एज खिलाफत मूवमेंट अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ अली ब्रदर्स इज नोन एज खिलाफत मूवमेंट. ठीक है, अब इसको समझो. तो तुमने अभी तक तो ये पढ़ा कि खिलाफत मूवमेंट क्या है, ये क्यों शुरू हुआ. अब इसमें गांधी जी को लगा कि ये अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है जहां पे हम लोग फिर से हिंदू और मुस्लिम इंडिया के को यूनाइट कर सकते हैं. तो गांधी जी खुद फ्रंट में आए और उन्होंने कहा कि आई सपोर्ट द खिलाफत मूवमेंट. ही हैज गिवन फुल सपोर्ट टू द अली ब्रदर्स, मोहम्मद अली एंड शौकत अली. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, खिलाफत मूवमेंट और नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट को मर्ज कर दिया गया. Is it clear? And Gandhiji, along with Ali brothers, have started protesting against the British government. Okay, so several places they have, protested against the British government. ब्रिटिशर्स ने लाठी चार्ज किया, ब्रिटिशर्स ने गन फायरिंग की और बहुत सारे लोग मारे गए. So much of wrong is done against those people who participated in the Khilafat movement, which become one of the cause of the non-cooperation movement. Is it clear to all of you? Now, you people have to underline in your book. Underline in your book. I'm turning for the Khilafat movement. See all of you in the book. Khilafat movement. Now see, all of you see in the book and underline. In the First World War, Turkey was defeated and Ottoman Empire was divided. Till here, first point. Till here, first point. Okay? Second point from here. The Sultan of Turkey, who was the Caliph, was deprived of authority. The Caliph was looked upon by large section of Muslim as their religious head. This is the second point. This is the second point. Third point from here. This is third point. They felt that any weakening of the Caliph's position would adversely affect the position of Muslim. In the First World War, the British fought against Turkey. This is the third point. Fourth point is this. The Muslims population in India started a powerful agitation known as Khilafat under the leadership of Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, Maulana Azad, Hakim Azmal Khan as Hazrat Muhammad. This is fourth point and meaning of Khilafat movement. And just remember, underline this word, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. खिलाफत मूवमेंट जब भी लिखोगे मोहम्मद अली और शौकत अली का नाम जरूर होना चाहिए. The fourth point, this is the meaning. I think till here no problem to anyone. Just see and underline in the book. Then further see the next paragraph. See the next paragraph. The Khilafatis formed a 3-tier point program. उन्होंने 3 program बनाया. Okay, the Khilafatis formed a 3-point program. First point, the Ottoman Caliph should retain his empire. Second point, the Caliph must be left sufficient authority to enable him to defend Islamic faith. And third point, the Arab land Syria, Iraq and Palestine must remain under the Muslim ruler. Is it clear till here? Okay, under this demand, this is demand of Khilafat movement. What demand they have created? First demand they have created, the Ottoman Khalif should retain empire. जो empire Khalif से ले लिया गया वो उसको वापस कर दिया जाए. The Khalif must be left with sufficient territory to enable him to defend the Islamic faith. और ये बोला गया कि खलीफ को कुछ टेरिटरी दी जाए जिसको वो रूल करे और जिससे वो इस्लामिक फेथ की रक्षा कर पाए. और थर्ड, जितने भी अरब लैंड थे जैसे अरेबिया, सीरिया, इराक, पैलेस्तीन, उन सब को मुस्लिम रूलर को दिया जाए. ये इनकी डिमांड थी. इस डिमांड को पूरा करने के लिए खिलाफत डे ऑब्जर्व हुआ अक्टूबर 7, 1919 ऑन ऑल इंडिया स्केल. दिस इज योर फिफ्थ पॉइंट. इज इट क्लियर? दिस इज योर फिफ्थ पॉइंट. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू पीपल अगेन. Khilafat, what you people have underlined, children. Let me tell you again the point. What is Khilafat movement? How it started? What first point you people have underlined? What is the first point you people have underlined, children? You people have underlined in the First World War, Turkey was defeated and Ottoman Empire was divided. ठीक है. Second point, the Sultan of Turkey, who was Khalif, was deprived of his authority. उसको उसके authority से हटा दिया गया. देन खलीफ को लार्ज सेक्शन ऑफ मुस्लिम अपने रिलीजियस हेड के तौर पे देखते थे. तो मुस्लिम को क्या लगा? दे फेल दैट एनी वीकनिंग ऑफ खलीफ्स पोजीशन वुड एडवर्सली अफेक्ट द पोजीशन ऑफ मुस्लिम्स. ओके, इसीलिए और फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में ब्रिटिश ने तुर्की के खिलाफ लड़ाई की थी. तो इसीलिए द मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया स्टार्टेड अ पावरफुल एजिटेशन नोन एज खिलाफत मूवमेंट अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ अली ब्रदर्स, दैट इज मोहम्मद अली एंड शौकत अली. इतना इज कॉल्ड खिलाफत मूवमेंट. दिस इज द मीनिंग. देन under fifth point you people have underlined, under fifth point you have underlined the demand of Khilafat movement. अली ब्रदर्स ने क्या डिमांड रखी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के सामने? पहली डिमांड की ऑटोमन खलीफ को उसकी अथॉरिटी वापस की जाए, ऑटोमन खलीफ को थोड़ी टेरिटरी दी जाए जिससे वो रूल करे और इस्लामिक फेथ की रक्षा करे. देन थर्ड पॉइंट, जितने भी अरेबियन कंट्रीज थे जैसे कि अरेबिया, सीरिया, इराक, पैलेस्तीन को मुस्लिम रूलर को रूल करने दिया जाए. इन डिमांड्स को पूरा करने के लिए नंबर 6 पॉइंट क्या है? खिलाफत डे के रूप में ऑब्जर्व किया गया. किस दिन? सितंबर अक्टूबर 1919 को. Now see how Gandhiji have entered into Khilafat movement. Now see the next paragraph. Gandhiji show in the Khilafat movement an opportunity for uniting Hindu Muslims. गांधी जी को लगा कि अब यही मौका है जब अगर मैं खिलाफत मूवमेंट के लीडर्स की हेल्प करूं तो ये हेल्प करेगा हिंदू मुस्लिम की यूनिटी में. Then he said that Congress plea for Hindu-Muslim unity would be an empty parish for Hindus hold aloof from the Muslim and where their vital interests are at stake. So Mahatma Gandhi was elected as president of All India Khilafat Conference in 1919. He advised the Khilafat committee to adopt a policy of non-cooperation movement. Is it clear? So यहाँ पे तुमको सिर्फ ये याद रखना है कि गांधी जी show in the Khilafat movement an opportunity for uniting Hindus and Muslim. This is your number 7 point. And number 8 point here, Mahatma Gandhi was elected as the president of All India Khilafat Conference in November 1919. He advised the Khilafat committee to adopt the policy of non-cooperation movement. तो जब उनको खिलाफत कमेटी का हेड बनाया गया तो उन्होंने खिलाफत कमेटी को एक एडवाइस दी कि हम लोग खिलाफत मूवमेंट को नॉन कोऑपरेशन के साथ जोड़ दिया जाए. और वही हुआ. By August 31, 1920, the Khilafat non-cooperation movement started. Is it clear? Now see again in the book. See in the book. Next paragraph. So यहाँ पे this demand is your 5th point and then this Khilafat day is your 6th point. Then here Gandhiji saw in the Khilafat movement an opportunity for uniting Hindu Muslim is your 7th point. Then this is your 8th point. This is your 8th point. Mahatma Gandhi was elected as the president of All India Khilafat Conference in November 1919. He advised the Khilafat Committee to adopt a policy of non-cooperation with the government. Then 9th point is this. What is the 9th point? By August 31, 1920, the Khilafat non-cooperation movement started. Okay, then till here. Then what the government have done under this from here? This is your 10th point. People resigned from the government services. Shops selling foreign goods, shops selling foreign goods were picketed. Then students boycotted school and colleges, and hartals and demonstrations were held. By the end of 1920, Khilafat movement and Congress non-cooperation movement merged into one nationwide movement. This is your 10th point. And 11th point is this. In 1921, the Khilafat Committee appealed to all India Muslim not to join the policy and armed forces and not to pay taxes. This emerged the government, and the Ali brothers were arrested on the charge of what? Sedition. Till here, 11th point. Is it clear? Now, see, Khilafat movement, I have explained you people today. In that, I have explained you total how many points, children? Total 11 points. Is it clear? So, how Khilafat movement started? Then, what is Khilafat movement? What were the demands of the Khilafat movement? Why Gandhiji joined Khilafat movement? Because he has seen that this is the time of Hindu-Muslim unity. So, he urged to the Khilafat committee that they can join Khilafat movement with the non-cooperation movement. And same thing happened in point number 9, which you people have underlined, that by August 31, 1920, Khilafat non-cooperation movement started, where both the movements were merged. Then what people have started doing, people have resigned from government services, shops selling foreign goods were picketed, and students, boycotted goods and colleges, and hartals and demonstrations were held. By the end of 1920, the Khilafat movement and the Congress non-cooperation movement merged into one nationwide movement. Then, in 1921, the Khilafat Committee was appealed to all Muslims not to join the policy and armed forces, not to pay taxes. They said, the Khilafat Committee have appealed to the Muslims of India that none of the Muslims were, join the police and armed forces of the British government, and they will not pay any taxes. And due to this, what happened? The British government have arrested the Ali brothers. The Ali brothers who have started the Khilafat movement. Is it clear? So children, today I have completed the first cause of the non-cooperation movement, that is the Khilafat movement. Tomorrow I am going to do your Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy is your homework. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, I am not going to explain. Enough. You study Jallianwala Bagh tragedy by your own. Rowlatt Act I will explain tomorrow, and objective of non-cooperation movement and program of non-cooperation movement, that I am going to explain tomorrow. For today only this much. Thank you, children.